Hello everyone, let's find the value of this equation. The numerator. To solve this correctly, we have to follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. Parenthesis first. After that, we can now do the multiplication. After the multiplication, we can do the subtraction. Okay, so let's apply to the numerator. So we do the parenthesis first. We have 2 here, isn't it? That is 4 minus 2 will give us 2. That gives us a new equation at the numerator. 13 minus 3 times 2 all over. The denominator is 1 divided by 2. Is the same thing as 1 over 2. Now, 13 minus 3 will give us 10, but that is not the way. We are to do the multiplication first because PEMDAS says multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. So we have 13 minus 6 on top of 1 over 2. Now 13 minus 6 equal to 7 on top of 1 over 2. This sign means what? Division sign. Now in the KCF rule, using the KCF rule, K stands for keep. We are keeping the 7. And then this division, C stands for change. We change division to multiplication. And this fraction here, we flip it into 2 over 1. That is the F stand for what? Flip. 7 times 2 will give us 14. And the correct answer to this equation is 14.